Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we are coming to you with something new. In fact, it's brand new to the whole entire world. And that is the Alien 3D UFO box. And that is a monthly subscription box that's going to, as I understand it, include some filaments as well as pieces for a project.
Oh, this is a perfect angle.
That's a perfect angle?
Yes, because you can see the alien and the 3D.
That's your new job. It's just a whole box is at a perfect angle. All right, well, let's cut that thing open and see.
What's the perfect box?
Let's see what's inside.
Open. That was easy.
Well, it's a sharp knife. Should probably open it the other way. Now, Walter from Country 3D was lucky enough to have his at Earth. I got this one. It did actually arrive right before we left for Earth, but like right before we left for Earth. I chose not to bring it because I didn't want to know what was in it until we filmed this video. Xander's just going to go through and read everything that's in the box. So, I avoided seeing what was in Walter Country 3D's box because I didn't want to know. So, unidentified filament objects, contents contained within are for your eyes only. Proceed with extreme caution. Not responsible for probing or assimilation resulting from the use of items within. You have been warned. I hope I don't get probed from using the stuff in this box. Did you find the Mothership Maker coin in your box this month? If so, you are this month's lucky winner. Snap a photo of both sides and post to Twitter, tagging @BuildTac and @AlienSlacker to receive 15% off a BuildTac Flex Plate system. That's an awesome deal.
Where should it be?
As well as one of BuildTac's new PEI sheets to test out for free. We got to see the BuildTac people right at Earth. That was pretty awesome.
Okay.
So, all right, so let's see. All right, stop. You've already unboxed half of this over here.
I didn't take out.
So we'll get to that bag in just a minute. In fact, we'll get to that in just a minute. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 samples of filament and a pen. We got a Filament pen. Now, I was going to make a comment that this is mystery filament, but I noticed that all the other filaments do in fact have a sticker on it, but we got missed a sticker, so I will have to do some digging to find out. I'm going to have to put my glasses on for that.
I can read it.
I'm going to have to speed you up. You read slow.
Hello, I have sent you this promo box of the July UFO 3D printing mystery box because I recognize you as a growing representative of the 3D printing community. I wanted to target up and coming people rather than the 100K subscriber YouTubers because I feel that the smaller members make up the heart of the community. You're the one digging through the trenches in order to bring the rest of us information, news, and
Yeah, well, I'm not even sure that this was something that we needed to read. Well, it's just the fact that Josh did send us this box, unsolicited. No money was exchanged for this. This was sent to us from him out of the kindness of our heart, apparently because we're not big and awesome. No, I'm just kidding, Josh. I'm just picking on it. Does he say here that he does not expect, nor is he asking, for us to do any kind of unboxing video or promoting the UFO box in any way, unless you want to do so. So I guess we wanted to do so because here we are. For the record, Fun King 3D does not do anything that we don't want to. We are not bought and sold ever. So, but yes, Josh did send this to us, and we didn't have to ask or beg. He sent this to us out of the kindness of his heart, and out of the kindness of our heart, we wanted to unbox it here live because we love to give options. We love people to see what you can get. So, and then he just asked for feedback either via Twitter or email. And so the only feedback I have right at this second, Josh, is that he can put a sticker on my brown filament, so I don't know what it is. I'm sure that's a small oversight, and we'll figure out what that is. So while Xander was trying to read that, I noticed that this guy right here is actually a UV color changing filament from white to red. Now we have some UV color changing that goes from white to purple. So this will be kind of cool. Maybe we can find a project to incorporate both of those in. Sample size seems
like a really cool omnom.
Oh, cool omnom. That might be a good one, yeah.
Like maybe like do
and
like
change it halfway through so that it's all white, and then when you put them out, it turns half purple and half red.
Yeah.
So sample size seems very decent. I'm not sure how much is here. If I read the pamphlet, it'll probably tell me. A great sized desiccant pack in there. We know that that'll be good and dry. So that is Hello 3D UV light changing PLA. Turns from white to red, and that runs a 190 to 200 degrees Celsius with a bed of 50 to 80 degrees. Now each of these also has a QR code, and I'm not sure what that QR code pulls up. Well, try it now, shall we? Let's do it live and hope that it doesn't pull up anything that it shouldn't. If I can find my QR. Sorry, I wasn't ready for this.
10 years later.
5 hours later. But I can actually cut this part out if I so choose.
And why did you tell the people you probably won't?
And that takes us right to Alien 3D's website, which, by the way, is alien3d.us. And it's going to link right to the material. So I didn't think I'd covered this one. This is H&H 3D Plastics. It's a white PLA. It extrudes 190 to 210 with a bed of 50. So now being a PLA, 50 to 80 is weird. You'd think that would be a no heat. But we'll have to look into that. This one is 3D X-Tech Transparent Sapphire P. Oh, that is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is a transparent.
It's transparent?
Yeah, look at.
Oh.
That's a gorgeous
cool.
color. That's a PETG with a 230 to 260 C extruder and a 60 to 90 degree bed. And that's exciting. And again, the mystery brown. Mystery brown is generally not a statement that you ever want to say or hear. But you have some mystery brown. I'm guessing it's a PLA. It feels a little textured, but I'm not.
I can tell you that it's 1.75.
That would be a good assumption to make. So, all right. So then we have all this other stuff. So this is from BuildTak.
Very interesting.
Is it a scraper?
I don't know,
It is.
But it's shiny.
I bet that's what it is. It's a part removal tool.
But why would they make it shiny?
Well, because it's injection molded. It's not. See the marks? That's made in the mold. Then we have a whole bag of goodies because the Alien 3D box is not just about the filament. It's also about what you can make with the filament. So we're going to pour this out. Don't touch things. Don't touch things. Touch things. Got some fruit duos. You can have those. We got a card from BuildTak here where we can use the code for 10% off. That's
I
cool.
see what he's doing.
Yes.
He's trying to get us healthy from the Maker Box candy.
We got a sample of Magic Goo. That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
We have a Capricorn sticker, a BuildTak sticker, a 3D Fuel sticker. That's a lot of stickers in one monthly box.
What's this? Is
And
there
we have
another
an Alien 3D sticker.
Oh, I think it's another sticker.
Is that a sticker?
I think so.
Oh yeah, a Filament sticker.
And then we have this cute little thing.
We have two very, very tiny screws here.
Then we have this cute little thing.
We have the Alien 3D alien. And then we have more than two screws. We have a whole bunch of screws. They're just stuck to the engine, to the motor.
So what is
we have a pile of stickers.
What's the project?
Screws. We have what looks to me like a battery box with a switch, and we have a motor. It is a mini DC gearbox.
So what's the project?
Oh.
What's the project? What's the project?
Well, now that's a great question, and one that I believe should be in the box. I don't know if it normally will be in the box, but Josh actually emailed me and gave me a link to the project, and I will throw up a quick screen right here showing what that project is. So by using the stuff inside of the Alien 3D box, if you so choose, you can build that project. Again, they do include parts and stuff. These screws are awesome; they're tiny, but so I would say with what you get here.
I'm trying to reenact the alien.
Trying to reenact the alien. I would say with what you get here, it's a pretty awesome deal. We will likely do the project, and we'll show that another time.
I can't do the wide eyes.
Can't do it. Maybe if I punch you in the eyes. So I will have a link in the description to Alien 3D's website. I do not have a referral code. They're out there. If you wish to go and find one, you will get a discount. So if you wish to go find one, you may do so. If you like what you see here, definitely go check out alien3d.us and get a box of your own. Thank you so much, Josh, for sending this to us. You know I'm a huge fan of these types of boxes. I love the mystery behind them. It looks like you're doing some pretty cool stuff here.
Mm-hmm.
Would love to see what you continue to do in the future. Are you stealing stuff from me already?
Yes, I'm collecting the stuff that I want to keep.
So anyway, we hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope that you enjoy what you see in the Alien 3D box. And again, go check them out. I'd like to get one. Alright, so in my haste of going through all of this and not wanting to take the time to read this trifold brochure out loud to you guys, which was my mistake, it does actually explain in here what all the filaments are. So that brown filament that didn't have a label on it is 3D fuel, and it's either coffee, beer, or hemp infused, and it has no odor, so I couldn't go by it. But it's one of those three. But it does actually talk about your settings in here, so that missing sticker wasn't really a huge deal. And then I said that this build tack piece was a part removal tool. It is not. That is a decal applicator for when you put stickers on things, so that you can get all the air bubbles out from underneath. So it's a squeegee is what it is.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I missed that. We were actually sitting here when we stopped rolling a second ago. We were sitting here talking about it because I like to give back feedback when I can, and so we were discussing the cool parts and the issues, and you know, I mean, the sticker missing off the bag is not a huge deal. That wasn't a huge thing, but like to me there wasn't enough explanation of stuff. But stupid me, yes there was. It was right here in this trifold brochure. So I just wanted to hop back in and touch on that, let you know. Now we will return you to your regularly scheduled. If you like what we're doing, there is a subscribe button down there that we would love for you to click it and show it some love.
It's a big red button.
It says subscribe on it. Ring that little bell notification next to it for updates on all of our videos that come out. And we always appreciate one of these. If you want to leave us a thumbs down, that's all right, but leave us a comment as to why. We can't get better if you don't. If you're already a subscriber, find a friend and get them to subscribe too.
But if that friend is already subscribed, tell that friend to get a friend, and then so on.
Well, you know how these things start. One guy tells another guy something, and then he tells two friends, and they tell two friends, and they tell their friends, and so on, and so on, and so on.
Thanks for watching, and as always from us here at Fun King 3D, print on.